In the year of 2020, a new virus came our way. We knew what must be done, and so to help, we hid away. Old habits became extinct, and they made way for the new. And every simple act of kindness was now given its due.
The Nightingale Hospital, based at the ExCeL Exhibition Centre in London, was constructed in just 9 days.
Buildings were lit up in blue, the colour of the NHS.
Take care of you. Take care of you. And I'll do the things that no one else will do.
Thousands of people opened their windows and doors to applaud NHS staff who are working on the front line of this coronavirus crisis.
In residential streets across the UK, people have come onto their doorsteps to clap for carers.
Thank you, NHS heroes.
Captain Tom Moore set out to raise £1,000 for the NHS. He's raised just a little bit more than that.
He's a 99-year-old war vest. He's a one-man fundraising machine.
Thanks, Captain Tom.
I'll be there, yeah, yeah, I'll be there for you. Oh, I swear, yeah, yeah, I got enough love for two. You'll never be alone, I'll be there for you.
Thank you all very much.
We're living in a world now where working from home, that teleworking phenomenon, is something we all have to deal with.
Let's just join you into the meeting. Yes, I can see you. Hang on. No, you're on mute.
So many of the nurses and doctors and consultants, as well as cleaners, the helping hands guiding us through this storm, are black, Asian, and minority ethnic.
The future holds unexposed danger, but no stress. Humankind is no stranger to progress. And as we've proven, when we collaborate, progress follows fast.
This is one voice with one message. Black Lives Matter.
A year we will never forget, but we can make the new year a year of hope.